Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear Vascular Online Training members. Here is some questions that has been asked lately. How to join, what are the levels of membership, and how to use artificial intelligence. So let me start from the beginning. Just if you have a normal Google Chrome search or any search engine, and you write down Vascular Online Training on the search bar, and then you press enter. Probably you will get on the first Vascular Online Training, which is Pan Arab Vascular Surgical Society, MRCS and FRCS channel. And if you click on it, this will open the main channel page. This is the main channel page where everything is available. So here you will have all these characteristics of the main channel. Here is the home, which have the fundamental. Here is how many videos are available and how many subscribers are available on this channel. The first question, how to join. You can see on this channel, press on join. And when you press on join, you will get a video. You will get the options of how to join, and it is extremely easy. So I press on join. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear vascular colleague, I would like to introduce to you Vascular Online Training membership, which is a very useful tool to vascular trainee and many doctors as well. Vascular Online Training is a platform to prepare the vascular surgeon for future of vascular surgery challenges. It offers a great advantage to vascular surgeon. So here you will find membership, which are different level. One level is to see recent video or to get CME certification if you watch enough video that warrant your certificate. Some of them are career advice you for your vascular career. Some of them getting most recent guideline, and some of them access vascular online courses. And this is the one which will have the artificial intelligence courses. And here you select which level of membership that you want to join, and then you click on join. So this is how simple it is to join Vascular Online Training. Now, the other question, after you join, you will have so many videos available, which is only for members. So if I go to members, then you will see these are videos that are available only to members. So it is not available public. So like the video which are concerning with MRCS training, OSCE station, some of the educational video. And if you are a member and you click on it, it will work. Now, let us go to artificial intelligence. Here, you need to go to post. Okay? And when you go to post, this is the way I communicate with members. I can give a message either to public, or I can give a message to all channel members, or I select which channel member level I would like to give. So if you join Vascular Online Training courses and higher, then this link will be open to you. Now, how my artificial intelligence program work? Here is, I've put everything in one post. So this is members only at the level of courses. You can see the level of courses. And if you go to this post, here you will find the link of my programs. So how this will work? If I put my artificial intelligence program on the App Store or Play Store of Google, it will be so expensive, maybe reaching about $100 per month. So what I have done, I have created a link to my account with, as I am a developer in Google, with something called AI Studio. And here I will provide you with a token, which is not free of charge. These token are um, an element that you can use artificial intelligence in programming. And it is very expensive, but I would like most vascular surgeons to use it. So let us say, so you can see when it opens the program, here you will have the dashboard and all the information and the marking scheme, how it is being marked, common mistakes to avoid, and all the program will be available to you with all the options. Okay. Now, if I go back, so let us say, if I go back here, I want to open another program like surgical anatomy program. And for example, surgical anatomy program, you just press on the link, continue the app, allow microphone access, and you have the anatomy. You can select which station, neck triangle, thyroid, and you can start as a station and you get a very good training. So here are the program. You have surgical pathology trainer, OSCE prediction module, communication trainer, history taking trainer, general trainer, ATLS course trainer, CRISP trainer, surgical skills trainer, even English and communication skills trainer. Again, just click on it and it will direct you to the program and you can launch the program and microphone access. And here, how to improve your English for the exam. And it will assess your report and give you a certificate if you completed the course as well, the trainer. So it will train you about English, how to speak proper English. Now, these are application for vascular surgeon going for FRCS exam. So here are, again, career advisor, Vasai career advisor to advise you about your career, which certificate to get. And also another course, which is job interview to prepare you for a job interview. And great program to learn about guide wire, vascular guide wires, and Vasai intervention advisor. You put the angiogram of the patient and then will advise you about this program. And these are any doctor who can have clinical advisors. This is a very important program that you can run in the clinic and will give you differential diagnosis and write prescription and request for you. And these are the application for any doctor, which is Vasai Clinical Advisor and Vasai Food Analyzer. It will analyze the food that you eat, and English and communication trainer for any doctor, and job interview trainer again for any doctor. And these are very important. So these are the link. And there is also another important link for books. I have created probably the largest vascular digital library, which is called Vascular Online Training Digital Library. And this, you will have a link that it changes every month. And when you press on the link, it will open the digital library for you. Now, courses, if you press on courses on the page, you will have, these are the available courses. History taking trainer course, Professor Samer Qusayr course on revision for VSAP 6, and guide wire trainer. All these courses are available if you are joined as level of courses. And also a program how to teach artificial intelligence to doctors. So these are the courses available to you when you join. I think I have done as much as I can to prepare vascular surgeon for the future. These are the videos that are available on the channel. And if you are a member, you will have these facility. You will have these options of video specific to members and shorts specific to member, quick advice. And these are the posts available to member with all the links. And I hope this channel will be beneficial to all vascular surgeons. It's available 24/7 and it train you according your time needs and give you certification for your effort. And I wish you all the best.